how to upload a video to your Blogger blog post. First we go to Chrome. It's the best browser to use for Blogger because it's a Google product. So here we are. We'll go over to Blogger. We're already logged in. As we move through these videos, there'll be things that we should be getting used to doing, like logging into our account and stuff. So I won't be going over and over these things every time. Wait for it to load. So I've pre-made a post already here with how to insert a video to a blog post on Blogger. So we'll click in here. I just have some text in here at the minute. So in here we have add a video to your blog post. To do that, sign into Blogger. In the top left, click the down arrow, select the blog to update, create a new post or edit a post to add a video. On the post editor, click insert a video, choose the video you want to use. And this is this button here that they're talking about. Now, note, avoid adding content hosted by someone else without their consent. That means don't put a video up on your blog without permission of the person who made the video. Avoid using copyrighted material without authorization. Learn more about Blogger's copyright policy. So we have to be careful of putting copyrighted material, the likes of, say, music videos from Vivo or something like that on YouTube. Avoid adding content that violates Google's content policy. So when you signed up for your account, you will have agreed to Google's content policy. You can Google Google's content policy whenever you want, and I'll give you a full list. It also says there, this includes explicit imagery posted without the subject's consent and hateful, violent and crude content. So basically, be nice online, that's what it's saying, and look for permission of people who've posted videos. Now, being honest, most people will only love you to be posting their video or links to their video because they get more views, things like that. So, as I've said before, you should have everything that you're going to put on Blogger in before you do it on something like a Word document or WordPad or Google Docs, something like that, just to have it ready and waiting. So the first thing we can do is we can add a video from our own computer. So down here, I'll just move down 2 spaces, and now I'm going to add in a video by clicking insert a video. Now, from here, upload, choose a video to upload. So we click on choose a video, and I did this earlier, so it popped into where my videos are kept. You should know where your videos are on your computer because you're the one who saved them, typically in videos. So I go to Super Rodent, that's the one I want to put up. Click on it, I can double click it, it'll enter it in, or I can click once and press open. So that's a common function, so we won't be covering that again. It takes a little while for the video to upload. I'm done. So that took about 3 minutes, and I've cut out a lot out of the video there. So that's your video. So now we'll preview. And here we go. It's in a square box. We press play. It won't play now because it's not published, but that video would then play. But it will play in a square, and you'll have 2 black lines across the top. So that's something I'm not hugely fond of. So what we can do to change that is put in, it's sort of a magic number to do with the videos. To do that, we're going to go over to the HTML. This is the code part of the video of your web page again. In here we can see where we put the video in. Down at the bottom here, blog video, class, content, its width and its height. So YouTube, when it puts a video in, sets it to 560 by 315. And if we change it to 560 and 315, our video it looks a bit strange here, but when we preview it, it'll actually look the same as if you were to drop it in, and it'll have no black bars across the top or the bottom. To me, it just looks that little bit better. That's the first way to put a video into Blogger. The second way, we can first have our link for the video we want to use, copy it, Control C, and now I'm going to come up to insert a video. I'm going to choose this time from YouTube. In here, I'm going to paste in the link and search, and straight away it finds our video. Click on that and press select, and once again it's in a square box. So we come over to HTML, we're working on the very last thing that was put in, and it's in an iframe. So it's saying 320 by 266 again. We'll change that to 560 by 315, and now we will back to compose, and it's after stretching out. I'm pretty sure those are the numbers we need to use. So preview again. If not, I'll pop them up on the screen. Yeah, that's it, and it's moved it over a little bit. And we'll do one more method, which in my opinion is sort of the quickest out of them all. So we move down here, the cursor's down there now at the bottom, just here. So if we go to YouTube,
our all-in-one marketing,
and then what we'll do is we'll put in our own link. We come down to Super Rodent, we'll pause it. We come to the share part, press share, and in here we have the embed. So the code I got originally for that last part, for in here to put this video in, or no, I didn't, for when I was searching, was from the video. I knew where it was. So in here I'm going to choose the embed, because the embed gives us a few little nice tricks. First thing is it's an iframe piece of text, and here we go, that number I was talking about, the 560 by 315. But one thing it does, which is brilliant, is a start at. So say if you have a video that you like, but there's maybe the first 15-20 seconds you don't like, well, what you can do is you can actually tell it to start at a particular starting point. So you could tell it to start at 15 seconds in, and then what will happen is it adds it to this little part here, start at 15. If you notice, when I untick that box, that start 15 will disappear. So it's gone again. Okay, so it's just a little bit code. It's just a nice little feature I like. We come down here and we press copy. That copies that link. We go back to our Blogger, and once again we have to go into the code, and we're going to come to the bottom here and paste in our code. We can press enter. Oh no, not that one. Press enter and just press paste as plain text. And now we will go back to compose, escape to freedom, and now what you can see is it'll be the same as the one above it, but it was just a lot quicker.